a very quick walk around of our Huddersfield Premier Inn room. Tea and coffee making area, bin, hairdryer, vanity area as well, where the tea and coffee making stuff is. Bit odd to put it there because you would think, because this is the wardrobe, you would think they would put it here. This seems like the obvious place, but oh well, that's a dirty towel. Or a used towel, it's not dirty. So the room, standard Premier Inn stuff. Comfortable and warm it was. These windows open, which makes a nice change because a lot of them don't and you get steaming hot. Thankfully they've put a fan in here. And often there's a strip light above the bed. This one hasn't got it. It had two little reading lights and a light above the bed there, which also unfortunately did not work. And then we come to the bathroom. Oh, hang on, we haven't done the artwork, which is this. Quite nice. Something nice to look at when you're laying having insomnia in a strange hotel room. Strange as in not your usual place of sleep, not strange as in weird. Toilet and bathroom. Nice big mirror. Toilet. No loo brush. Smells a bit like an old people's home in here. Like the wee smell. So, and disinfectant. That's mine. They don't supply that. But you do need to bring one if you're sharing a hotel room bathroom with somebody else. And then, nice. That's your handheld shower, and then you've got your nice shower, nice big power shower, which looks clean enough. And then we have the bath, which that needs a bleach. This was full of hairs, and when I got into my bath yesterday expecting it to be clean, you could feel all soap scum. Oh, still can feel a bit around the edge. You could feel where soap and skin was. That grout needs a good clean. That is either needing to be cleaned or needing to be replaced. I'm not going to poke about at it. But I'm sure you can see there. That is dirt. I'm trying to focus in on it. That is dirt. And I saw more dirt there. This is what I'm saying, these bits here. There. So that bit there. Yep, when I run my finger on it, that is dirt. Let's see if we can. Oh, no, that is dirt. Look at that. Came straight off. More crap behind the shower. Just needs a bit of a bleach. That bit certainly, that'll come up nice with a bit of bleach. And see, that corner's dirty. But it's not picking up on the camera, but I can see it by eye. And I've just spotted that. Look. That's where two bottles have been sitting. And we didn't have any bottles in the shower. This person definitely took two bottles. So yeah, sadly, the bathroom's not as clean as it usually is in the Premier Inn. They're usually really spotless. Sometimes a bit tired, but clean. Whereas this one isn't. The mirror's nice and clean, but this one's just not. The sink was clean, although again, could do with the bleaching for around the edge there. and in the hole. But when you go to a Premier Inn where the tiles are dirtier than your own at home, that's saying something. Anyway, that's me for now. Oh, and I forgot to do the view. This is from my window. It might not look much, but it was very peaceful, and I don't know if you can see the dark patches through the trees. That's actually a river. It is the River Calder. So yeah, I've had worse views out of my Premier Inn window. And if you can hear all that noise, that's not the river. That's the M65, I think. It's the motorway anyway.